In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. And when you download this app, you need to open it. Following that, hit Get Started, choose I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Then click on While using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. And tap on Set as Default. Then choose Launcher Pro and wait. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by going back to the same app. Tap in Set as Default and choosing your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!